Due to the low water levels, Kariba station is now generating between 200 to 300 megawatts, having a daily average of 250 megawatts, which will allow to continue generating until the need review, which will be done in early January 2023. This has resulted in the loss of 300 megawatts from the average 600 megawatts it was generating before. Various measures were reported to Cabinet which have been put in place to ensure that there is continued power generation, and the supply-demand gap, which has increased due to the loss of the 300 megawatt, is actually curtailed. One of the first strategies is to ensure that the current stations which are generating in Wange, in particular, they continue to be maintained and they are optimized to ensure that they produce an average of 400 megawatts so that they ensure the energy supply security. Over and above, in the long term, over 400 million was secured to improve dependable capacities in Bulawayo and Wange. And at Wange Power Station, the life extension project has started with Unit 5, which has been out due to challenges it encountered with this turbine earlier this year. We are also ramping up power production from the small thermals, which is Bulawayo, Harare, and Munyati, to push it up to 45 megawatts. The coal supplies are currently being expedited, where we have a train with over 30 wagons on its way to the various power stations to ensure that there is more.
So my question is, vakanga vasiri kuzviona here kuti water levels ari kudropa kuKariba? Vakanga vasiri kuzviona here kuti kune climate change munyika yeZimbabwe ya-affecta Kariba? Vakanga vasiri kuzviona here kuti pari kuda kuiswa dzimwe plan in place to make sure kuti they avert the issue of load shedding? Tine Tokwe Dam. Vakanga vasiri kuzviona here kuti Tokwe Dam rakapera kare and has been full to capacity and does have that capacity to generate electricity over 500 megawatts the electricity. Vakanga vasiri kuzviona here kuti let us invest paTokwe and make sure kuti we have renewable energy? Vakanga vasiri kuzviona here? Vaiva kupi? Ike zvinezvi are coming with silly statements. Vanhu nyama dziri kuora, mabusiness akamira, uri kubhadhara vashandi, but hapana zviri kufamba. This is a failed government. This is a failed, useless permanent secretary who is doing nothing to make sure that they avert the problems we are facing.